Hello everyone, it's Holly. Welcome back. If you are new, I do cooking, travel, homeschooling, and motherhood videos. I'm back in the kitchen today because I want to share with you my recipe for pork tomatillo stew. Now I realize this is not going to be a true tomatillo stew. I don't even know if I'm saying tomatillo right. Basically, I'm talking about green tomatoes. Another name for this soup can just be pork green tomato stew. This is a recipe that I discovered over 20 years ago, but over the years, I really just made it my own way. I changed so many things about it until I got it to be the way I like it and an easy way to make it. Because I'm a busy mama of 4 kids, I like to have simple recipes for dinner. And if you are also a busy mom and are looking for an easy dinner, just to let you know, I have an entire playlist of easy meals for busy moms that I will have down in the description box below. You can go and check out later. And hopefully this recipe that I'm sharing today will be an easy one for you as well. Let me go ahead and get into the kitchen right now and share with you my recipe for pork tomatillo stew. Here is all the ingredients that I will be using, along with 2.5 pounds of boneless pork. I will usually cook my pork early, a lot of times the day before. I will let it sit in the crock pot all day. That way it shreds easy and it is ready to work with. My other ingredients will include green chili enchilada sauce, mild, chopped onions, crushed garlic, diced green chilies, salt, cilantro, and marjoram leaves. With my 2.5 pounds of pork ready to go, I will first add 6 ounces of chopped onions or 1 large chopped onion. I use the frozen kind just to make it easy. Next, I will add 1 28-ounce can of the green enchilada sauce. Then I will add 2 7-ounce cans of diced green chilies. Then 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried marjoram leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of dried cilantro. As well, I will add in 1/2 cup of water. Then I will mix it all up, getting all that seasoning well incorporated. And then I will let it sit on the stove at a low heat for 2 to 3 hours. You could also make this recipe in a crock pot and keep it at a low heat, let it sit all day, and it'll be ready to go when it's dinner time. But that is it. That is all I do to make my pork tomatillo stew. We usually like to eat this over a bed of rice. We'll fix it up like a taco bowl with cheese, lettuce, tomato, maybe a little avocado, and fresh cilantro. You can also eat it like a stew, straight out of the pot. Either way, it is a very flavorful meal. You can also make this recipe using chicken instead of pork. Substitute the 2.5 pounds of pork for chicken, then follow the recipe the exact same way. All right, there you have it. That is my recipe for pork tomatillo stew or pork green tomato stew. You could see just how simple that was to make, and it's different. You know, it's not something that you have every day. At least when I make it for when company comes over, it's new for them. But I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed this video or got any value out of it, please hit the like button. I appreciate you watching, and may you have a beautiful day.